So we take the top off like we did last time. Remove this, put it to the side. Put the parts in the magnet tray. Torx 20 head for here. Unscrew these four to expose the nut at the top so that we can make sure that the engine doesn't turn whilst we're trying to do the clutch retaining bolt up. There we go. Remove the head like so. Put your screws in your magnet tray so you don't lose them. 17mm socket. We just remove the bolt that we put back in place so that we didn't lose it. Like so. Let's rotate this round so the key is in the right place. Got it. Right, do it up by hand. Like so. You can reroute your cable and route that round the back like that. Just make sure that is the right size. Yes, it is. So the torque setting is currently at 48. That's it. So torque set to 48. Put the belt back round like so. Put this around here. So we're set there. That's all on. Now we've got the routing of the cable. So there's the cable here. Take that round the back. There's the original. That there is the original point where we had a little grub. I'm going to put a cable tie around there, and then we're going to clip it in place. Just rotate it around. So I'm just going to connect that back up here into the original, like so. Put the latch back down, and we're golden. Now I just got to get a cable tie to ensure that's in place here. And what we'll do is snip that off. Now what we've got to do is put all the covers back on. Cover up first. Torx 20. We can go around and do them up in their opposites. So we'll do that one up tight first, then the opposite, then the one of these, and then the opposite again, and then they're all done. Put this on. 10mm socket. Same again, just don't have to do it up all the way until you've got all of them on, because it will move. Just locate it. Last one in and locate it. Do them all up tight. Remove the magnet tray. So there's the belt that we need to do, so we just take that off first so we can remove that bar. Some form of mechanism in here. That will enable us to leverage that around. There we go, so it's in place. Then we can slip this back in place, stops the belt from coming off. Put your nut in place. It's a 14mm, I'm just going to use an extension, 14mm socket. Which is the fuse, so we just want to take this off and replace that 7.5 amp fuse with a brand new one. So here we have a brand new 7.5 amp fuse. We will put that in place. Put the cover back on. And we should be good. Put this back in place first. Lower the seat down. So to do this, set your engine RPM to half and then engage the clutch. Allow the blade speed to reach full speed for a few seconds and then disengage the blades and allow them to completely stop. You need to repeat this 10 times. If you don't complete this step, it can warp your clutch and shorten its life. Then go back and check that your clutch retaining bolt torque is still set the same.
A few moments later.